Solar City. Get ready for more affordable, efficient solar power. Were you looking for the cheaper than regular solar roofs mentioned at the top? Yes, Solar City is the answer. Co-founded by Musk with his cousins in 2006. With appearance being one of the major reasons for non-acceptance of traditional solar panels, Musk focused on creating attractive ones, in multiple style options. If you don't find any style matching your interiors or existing tiles, Solar City also offers you a complete solar roof option as well.